Alright folks, thanks for joining me. We're going to show you today how to lay out your paper and draw a border and make your paper have different parts to show your front, top, and right side view of your orthographic projection. So the very first thing we need to do is get our measuring scale here, and we need to find the side that has the company that made the measuring scale, and it says made in Germany. That's the regular ruler side, and if you look over here it'll say 16 because it's broken up into 16ths. There are 16 lines between 0 and 1. So these are in 16ths. So we are going to mark a ½ inch right here. We're going to mark a ½ inch border all the way around. The way we're going to do that is by marking a ½ inch little mark, moving our scale up, making a ½ inch mark there, and then we are then going to connect those lines. And there used to be a show way back in the day where a fella would do this, and he'd say, connect the dots, la 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 la, connect the dots. So that's what we're doing, we're connecting those dots. So now we have one of our border lines. Let's go ahead and continue that all the way around. Alright folks, now we have a ½ inch border all the way around our paper. One thing we want to look at is making sure that we erase any little tails. We want it to look nice and presentable. So let's erase any little tails that we have on our border. Next thing we have to do is make some center lines. So we need to know how big our paper is. Well, this we know is 8½ this way by 11 this way. Half of 8½ is 4 1/4. So 4 1/4 and 4 1/4. And if you don't know where 4 1/4 is, it is right here. 4 1/4 is 4 4/16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/16. Okay, so now we have those two marks. We can make a line down the center. Now we'll need to make a line going up and down. So we're going to have it measure half of the 11, which is 5 1/2, which is right here, right over that A on made in Germany. 5 1/2. Make a mark there. Make a mark here. Then we can sing our special song again. Connect the dots, la 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 la. And we have 4 quadrants. Now this one's going to be the front, the top, and the right side. And then I'm going to go ahead and darken these lines back in so we can see that there is a separation from the different quadrants. And there we are, folks. We are ready to draw an orthographic projection with the front, top, and right side views illustrated below. Thanks so much for watching. I have a question for you. Folks that watch this YouTube channel and subscribe to it should have a name. So in the comments section below, say what you should be called. I had one student that said we should be known as shoppers because you work in the shop. So let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.